What's up, guys? So today we're going to look at an item I'm using for my videos. This is a portable fold-up travel stand, and the brand is going to be Amazon Basic. Don't worry, I'm going to put the link and down inside the description. Okay, let's look inside what we have. And plus a user manual. Give me a sec. Long. And voila, a user manual. And this is made plastic, and for the feet you have some rubber, so like that it's not going to slip. And here you have rubber too, so like that if you put an item here it's not going to slip too. The length of this item, it's 7-inch, and when it's wide open like that it's 13-inch, but you're not going to use it wide open, just a little bit like that, or or like that. I don't know if you can see, you have one screw and another one here, so like that you can always tighten it just a little bit if it come in loose, and after that it's perfect. And those, they're going to open 6.5 inch the length, and the weight, it's 84 grams, so it's not really heavy, it's nothing. But I'm going to put the link up there when I'm using it for my speaker Mooke, so you can always click on it and you're going to see how strong it is. Oh yeah, I forgot, this is a regular box with almost nothing on it. And let me show you when it's time to use it. Wait, et voila, so that's going to be perfect like that. I don't know here, so if you want to watch a movie or something, that's perfect. Or if you want to put it straight, let's open it a little bit, and et voila, so that too, it's perfect like that. Let me show you. So that's perfect. And this tablet is a 7-inch length, like that. It's small and lightweight and practical, so you just throw in your carrying bag. This fold-up travel stand, I've been using it for a while now, and I found I should present it to you guys. I hope you like this video about this travel fold-up stand. If you like it, don't forget to ring the bell and thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in another one.